126 to Bromley Town Centre.
What causes that ticking noise? You hear it on the idle, yeah, and then once the RPM's past the ideal RPM, yeah, it only becomes dependent on the throttle level. Well, actually, no, it's always dependent on the throttle level because in order for the engine to get to an ideal RPM, it has to throttle. That is why when engines land on idle RPMs, you can hear the bass in them a bit more on the idle sometimes. SC129. But yeah, anytime the engine's throttling, you'll hear that tickling noise. So of course you hear it slightly on idle RPM because the engine has to throttle on idle to keep the RPM up towards the idle RPM. But if anyone knows what's causing that issue, please let me know. Because I've heard that on a few buses, B90Ls and other buses, yeah. I've heard that on other buses and I haven't really heard no one clear it up as to why the buses sound like that. So what causes the issue and all that stuff. See, this is what I'm talking about. We need small shit like that in the community where issues on buses get explained as to why they happen. Because there's plenty of that in the car community. Oh, if you have this weird noise, there's a leak somewhere in your car somewhere. But for buses, no one really talks in depth about information like that. And I wish information like that was more spread out in the bus community and talked on a bit more, rather than people just assuming people should know based on small rumours. Because that's literally what it is in this community. People expect you to know everything off the bat off a bus because of a small rumour that they heard about. They expect you to know every minor small detail. If you get one detail of a bus wrong, they're cringing the fuck out and they're mocking the fuck out of you. It's just crazy, man. Anyways, that's 731.